This sentence is used in daily conversation. First is कृपया आरामात बसा. We can translate it like this. Please make yourself comfortable. Second is तुला काही हवं असेल तर मला सांग. Let me know if you need anything. Third is जेवणाआधी हात धुवायला विसरू नकोस. Don't forget to wash your hands before eating. Fourth is सगळं योग्य ठिकाणी ठेवलं आहे याची खात्री कर. Make sure everything is in its proper place. Follow me for more English learning videos.